Today, guys, I'm going to be giving you a little update on the Kawasaki Mojave 110, the free quad project. I haven't made an update on this in a while, but I do have the motor back together, back in the machine, and running, guys. It took a while for the gasket set to get to my house for the top end gaskets. Ran into a little bit of trouble with the cam chain tensioner and stuff like that, but we figured that all out, got it all put back together in time. Runs actually really good. I'll get some running clips and everything when it's all back together, but you guys can see everything is getting back together. I'm kind of having trouble finding all the bolts because the guy before me just threw them all in a container and I have no idea where they all go. So probably make some trips to the hardware store and get some 6x1s, cap screws and stuff like that, flange bolts, just so I can have some fresh hardware, different size lengths for all the other fasteners that are needed. But basically the chain needs to be tightened up. We're missing a tensioner arm. It maybe broke off back there. Not quite sure, but you guys can see this side has one and that side doesn't, unless there should be two, it looks like. Actually, maybe not. I guess this one here is bent like this. This one isn't, so maybe there is only one. But anyways, guys, the chain will have to be tightened. Motor's in, like I said. Everything else is connected. Carb was cleaned and put back on. It needs an air filter yet. I did find the registration card for this machine. Here's kind of the components we have left. We got the side heel guard area, earbox components, the side plastic or rubber pieces that kind of go right here and on the other side. One more piece of plastic that I'm not sure where it goes, and then the two rims. Definitely want to get those back to that white color because I want it to be original coloring. All the lights did work when I fired it up. It actually ran quite well. Started up in like 4 pulls after we put the motor in. Other than that, it's coming together pretty well. Just want to give you a quick update on it. I didn't get much footage of us actually doing the rebuild or anything like that. It's been apart for so long, I just wanted to throw it together, get it in the machine, and get this one done so I can move on to something else, because I have a few lawn tractors and zero-turn lawnmowers I need to get done for other customers. And the Argo is hopefully leaving soon. Hopefully someone's going to come buy this Electra and the Citation quite soon. So that'll be good as well. The guy's supposed to come maybe this weekend. But this is kind of the update on the Mojave 110. It is running. I'm guessing it would drive as well. I just don't have any rims and tires. So I'm going to try to find some rims. There was some on eBay, the original white color. I might just buy some of the rims and get brand new tires and put them on there just to be done with it. Hopefully all the plastics and everything will go on good. Most of the stuff is there. I got the important stuff on right now, enough to run it. And hopefully we'll get some running clips of it eventually for you guys. Nice little quad. Really surprised at how nice it is. Runs really good, nice and quiet. Revved up really nice. Carburetor definitely was working pretty good. Just got a few bolts left to put some on. Try to finish up what I can, and then I'll have to go get some hardware. Other than that, that's basically where we're at on the 110. Stay tuned to the channel for more update videos on this, the 200X. The DBX1 is going to be getting its new motor put in soon. If you haven't seen that video, make sure you guys go check that out. If you guys haven't seen the first 2 parts of this Mojave 110 project, make sure you guys go watch them so you guys can get caught up on what we all did and what it looked like when I got it. So, new top end is done. Runs good, guys. Hopefully we'll see this thing completed within the next month would be nice. And I don't think I'm going to be selling it. I'm going to be keeping it. We have that Kawasaki Mojave 250, which is basically the big brother of this machine right here. We're going to keep them and hopefully charge an outrageous amount for the pair. And otherwise we're going to keep them for many years and see if the value goes up, because you're not going to find a Mojave 110 and the first year Kawasaki Mojave 250 together. You're just not going to find that. So hopefully we'll keep them around for a while for you guys. Maybe we'll take it for a little ride. I don't want to beat on them because I don't have any parts available. If I break something, we're kind of screwed. The clip you guys saw before this was when it was getting put back together but not fully done. And now it's basically done, besides getting the rims painted back to white and getting some new rear tires for it. But everything else is back on. Runs really, really good. Still smokes a little bit. Some of the pipe had oil in it, so it does smoke a little bit. But hopefully it'll start one pull. Everything with the top end went good. You guys, I think I was talking about that earlier in the video. But I want to do a quick startup for you guys, just to show you guys that it runs and show it off a little bit. So we'll try to get it going for you guys right now. See the lights all work. Everything works on it. But nice little machine, nice and clean. Carburetor isn't 100% perfect, but it does run pretty good. You guys can see. Nice little machine though, guys, I'm telling you. For free, just put the top end in it. There you have it. The 110, running good. There you guys have it. The 110, man, first pull, this thing runs so good, guys. Next to it is the 125M. I'll have another video on that in the next few days. That's the three-wheeler we picked up last week. Has some issues, but we'll go over that in another video. Just wanted to show off the 110 today, guys. Hopefully we'll get the rims painted soon, new tires for it, and it will be good to go. I'm not going to abuse it, not even going to trail ride it. We're just going to preserve it for as long as possible and keep it around, because I'm never going to find one of these again for free, and they're worth a decent amount of money in this condition. Just the seats got rips in it, but other than that, the plastics are pretty dang good. All the original stickers still on it. Motor is freshened up. Everything else, I got the title with it, original tool kits with it. I mean, all the lights work. Everything is pretty much mint on it. So I definitely don't want to ruin it, and parts are pretty hard to find. So that's basically it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed, make sure you smash the like button. Subscribe to the channel if you're new, and leave a comment down below.